Hiya, howdy. I'm Nick, this is Solo, and this is SoloNiC, a channel where we are creating stories one mistake at a time. That's what it's all about. Just a little history of us. This is Solo, my chimera, and I'm Nick. You think she's a dog. She's not a dog. A chimera is an animal made up of multiple other animals or creatures with magical powers. And that is this. A pair of donkey back legs with the feet of a frog, the spine of a hyena, stomach of a cow, the punching arm of a kangaroo and a March hare leg, the fearsome talon claw of a golden eagle. She hangs upside down like a bat, has the forehead and headbutting ability of a goat, and the personality of a cat, all inside the skin of a dog. Although she presents like a spaniel, but is more like a husky, especially if you put a lead on her and let her pull, she'll pull a sled for days. And all the magicalness is this stuff, this white fluff. This magical stuff can get anywhere, inside solid glass, literally. We have found it. We found it in frozen food. We went to another country last year and we found it in that country, in a brand new apartment we had never been in before. She poofed and made herself appear and then disappeared again. She has teleportation skills. She can just suddenly appear and then disappear as quick as anything. You'll watch these videos and she'll be here and then next moment just gone. We can't work out where she goes or how she goes. She just teleportation. That is Solo, and that's why this channel's named after her. I did go for a vast amount of names trying to come up with ideas. SoloNiC was put in at the beginning kind of as a tester, and it's weathered the storm through everything else. All of these names, and I asked all my friends for suggestions, what they thought, what they liked, and sometimes we came up with names and we thought this is cool, and then somebody else looked at it and went, that doesn't read the same way. Word blindness. Iconic. Somebody read it and thought it was a nicotine ad. Yes. If you recognise me, I did have a previous channel. It kind of fizzled out and I kind of gave up on it. It wasn't getting views and whatever because I was doing too many different things. Doing a bit of this, bit of that, and people clearly can't deal with a channel doing multiple things unless it's extremely popular. So this channel instead, SoloNiC, is going to be creating characters and stories and then showing you how I came to those and how I got there and what went wrong and how I got better. The idea being that each video will create something, a model, building dice towers or buildings or a well, whether it's painting Warhammer figures or statues of larger sizes or repurposing some things. Who knows? Each will be me trying my hand either at something new or trying to improve on what I've done previously. And we want to just show you all of the stages and obviously all of the mistakes. I don't claim to be a professional of any of these. I'm more jack of all trades, master of none. And sometimes I'll go back to a project and try it again and see if I can improve. My painting skills of tiny figures has clearly improved over the time and I hope to get better. And besides, everyone likes to see mistakes and people muck up. So that's it. So this is what we're going to do. This is the channel, SoloNiC, where we're going to create characters for role-playing, story creating, character building and role-playing, tabletop, D&D, Cogent, Monster of the Week, any other system, everything, anything, creating the characters for them, creating the terrain, creating the models, the walls, the buildings, everything, anything that will suit and will fit. So please join us. I'm going to say this once, and I'm not going to say it again. I'm going to make myself not say this, but if you want to see these things, hit subscribe. Then each week, go to your subscriptions page and find the new video. I will not appear on the homepage. And this is a mistake that we've realised that a lot of people do. 90% of people that watch these videos subscribe to things and they expect it to appear on their homepage. It doesn't. You subscribe, YouTube knows that you've already subscribed and it's in your subscriptions page. Therefore, they don't have to tell you to go and look for it because it's already there. So, if you don't know how YouTube works, click the red button down there and you'll be subscribed, and every time a video comes up, it'll come up in your subscriptions page, not on your homepage. If you go to your homepage and expect to find us, you might get us once in a blue moon, but really it's not going to be there. It's going to be stuff that YouTube thinks you want to watch as well, so that they get more ad revenue, get you to subscribe to more channels and watch more random things. So that's it. That's us. That's SoloNiC. I hope we'll see you anon. Is that it? You want to say anything? No? Okay. She's in quiet mode. So let me do all talking. So, until next time, see ya.